But moving on to another big story, Nestle India is hitting back as the Maggi controversy rages on. The company has approached the Bombay High Court to seek a review of the orders that were passed by the Maharashtra FDA as well as the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India itself. Our colleague Priya Sheth is now here in the studio to take us through the latest. Priya, more twists and turns in this story, and this time it seems that Nestle is doing some tough talking.
Well, absolutely. The soup just continues to get thicker. In fact, in an attempt to actually go ahead and get more clarity on the issue relating to Maggi noodles, and Nestle has gone ahead and approached the Bombay High Court. Now, primarily what the company has said is they're looking at raising some sort of interpretation of the Food Safety and Standards Act 2011, also seeking judicial review of the two orders. Now, remember, there was the Maharashtra FDA order which banned Maggi in the state of Maharashtra, and also on the order by the FSSAI which pointed out three key violations as far as Nestle Maggi is concerned. In fact, they pointed out the excessive lead, a mislabeling, and also the launch of Maggi oat noodles were three key violations that the company had done. In fact, they have gone ahead and said that Maggi is unsafe and hazardous for human consumption. Essentially what Nestle is going ahead and doing is approaching the Bombay High Court to get some sort of clarity as to what the way forward for them is. In fact, they will proceed according to the orders passed by the Bombay High Court going forward. But remember that the recall process is still on track, and they will continue to withdraw the packets of noodles on a pan-India basis. But also do remember that Nestle is contesting another case in the Uttarakhand High Court which relates to the ban on the manufacturing unit in Pantnagar. So clearly, with this in mind, we'll have to wait and watch how this pans out going ahead.
So basically now they are in a legal dispute in the Uttarakhand High Court against the Uttarakhand government. That's for the plant ban, right?
Absolutely.
There's a ban on the plant itself.
Absolutely.
And here the challenge is basically as opposed to the order, the FSSAI order and the Maharashtra FDA order. Very quickly, Priya, before you leave us, a lot of international food regulators and drug regulators are also looking at this controversy. What's the latest from the US FDA?
Well, the US FDA has said that, as far as the Nestle India's Maggi noodles are concerned, they are looking into the issue. They are aware of the problems that Nestle has been facing in India. But of course, it's not clear as to, what the production effect will be as far as Nestle in the US is concerned. But of course, Singapore has given a clean chit, and even UK regulator is looking into this issue extensively.
This is a global soup now. It's not just a soup that's boiling here in India. All right. Thanks so much, Priya.